Anyway, that's enough about Tony Hadley.
Okay.
So you're going to put a transfer on.
Yes. Apparently I do them badly, according to you.
That's just the one.
Oh, right. Well, one's bad enough, isn't it? You don't even want to be bad. Bags of transfers.
It must have passed your quality control test on the day.
What blind is a back?
So if you're looking for somebody to fire, you need to go and find a mirror quickly. Oh, I can fire you if you want to.
Okay.
Build your sacks.
That's fine.
So how long is that going to...
Not very long.
That's like a... Same kind of thing when you do model aircraft, isn't it?
I'm trying to clean spray guns out today, but I've just cleaned one out and put all the stain in, and it's bloody leaking out the joint where the plastic top fits on.
Yeah.
The paint container. It's full of stain now. I suppose I could pour it out and try and repair the bloody thing.
Only if you can be bothered. That's the problem you've got.
It really is, yes.
Yeah, so I suspect the answer's no.
Yeah. This one here, if you want to see what that's glued on there, look.
Oh, this is that tin.
Yes, it's that model, look. It's Manuel Rodriguez.
He sounds like he's going to be a good guitarist.
Well, it is a nice guitar, this. But the lad's been messing with the bridge and cut it down and basically fucked the job. So anyway, I've flatted out what it's done wrong, glued a piece of rosewood on. It's just a rough piece, but it doesn't matter yet because I've got to plane it all and shape it.
Yeah. And then put the bridge on.
And then, well, I'm not going to put his bridge on because it looks to me like he'd lost the original one. That's just a piece of plastic that was stuck in his rough hole and it was leaning over like that.
Oh, yeah.
So that's probably not going to go back in. I'll make him a bone one.
You're going to make a bone?
Make a bone one, yes.
Make one out of bone.
Where's that come from?
Like to see you. The viewers would love to see you make bones.
Well, yeah, what I do is I get them off the butcher.
No, I thought you were going to make a joke then about a boner.
No, I get them off the butcher and I boil them in vinegar.
Yeah.
And proprietary substances.
That's how you get your famous aftershave as well, isn't it? Yeah. 2 jobs in one. You just when the bones have boiled, you just
dab it behind the ears.
siphon it off and put it in a Tommy Hilfiger bottle.
Yeah. There we go.
Sliding away, Doug. Yep. There comes the bend.
There comes no bend whatsoever.
Don't start getting serious.
See?
Little dab.
Dab.
Hopefully there's no bogies on it now.
There's no bogies on it, you see.
Your handkerchief.
Yes, but it's not been snotted on.
No. You're going to be hard work today.
My nose doesn't. I don't get snot much out my nose. It's just runny water.
Because your tablets.
It's with the piss pills I have. Yeah.
Well, would you rather have a nose that's not running and never be able to go to the bathroom to urinate, or would you rather have a functioning urethra? Hey, what do you think?
Whatever.
Okay, so that's over there.
Where's that come from? It must have come off there.
Well,
it's fallen off.
It was on the floor, so I put it.
Yeah, I thought I heard something else twat on the floor, rather than I found that one.
Yeah, well, you must have been right next to it when it fell off.
Yeah, well, it was, but you know, death prevails.
Okay, so we'll call that transfer adhesion job finished. So thank you very much.
Yeah, it's done. It's going to be sprayed now. What's that?
What,
there?
now?
Yeah. Oh no, not now.
Let the water dry on you first.
Well, I've got to find out what that is.
Headstock?
It's a piece of sponge that's dried on, I think. We'll just have a sand on that, I think. Yes, that's what I suspected.
Just a bit of fluff.
Bit of fluff.
You're taking it back to.
Doesn't matter now. It's going to have its matte coating on now. It's had to be sanded anyway.
You're going to have to mask off the fretboard.
No, it's all being matte sanded.
Okay.
It's maple, so it's all going to be matte sanded. So that's that.
Okay then. Are you going to spray it now? Or we're going
we're going to let that dry.
Okay then, yeah. Well then, that's that.
If I let it dry too much, honestly, if I let it, the wind out the spray gun will blow the bastard off. Yeah.
Let's just use some no nails.
Oh yeah, I could have done that. Yeah.
Guarantee adhesion. Right, Doug, thanks for that.
Yeah. I think you saw this in its.
Hang on, I'm going to stop. I'm going to stop this bit now.
Okay.